Now another question of multiplication, and it will be the last one. Here you can see what is here. Multiply this one to this one means minus 8 upon 21 x square y cube by minus 7 upon 16 x y square. And what you have to do, you have to verify your result for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. In this, what you have to do, firstly you have to multiply these two. So you know the multiplication part. It will be minus 8 upon 21 x square y cube, and you have to multiply this by minus 7 upon 16 x y square. Okay, and you know what will be the next process. I think we will multiply number to number. So minus 8 upon 21 multiply by minus 7 upon 16 and multiply. X square is written, so I write x, and in the power you can add 2 plus 1. Similarly for y, power is 3 and here power is 2, so I am just adding these two. So here minus and minus, it will be plus. 8 2s are 16 and 7 3s are 21. So in the numerator nothing is left, so it will be plus. 3 2s are 6. Okay, now here x is to the power 3 and y to the power 5 is written over here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to only put these thing over here, nothing is there. So what it will be happen, the multiplication process is this. Now verification will be done. Now verification for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, it will be there. So what will be the answer? You have to only write 1 upon 6 x cube y to the power 5 is will be equal to 1 upon 6 in bracket. Your x value is 3, so you will write 3, power is 3, so it will be here 2 and its power is 5. Okay, so 1 upon 6 multiply by, you can also, you know the cube, 3 3 ja 9 and 9 3 ja 27 also, you can write that thing also, but what in my view you can write it something like this. Okay, now 6, you know 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 2 you can cancel by any of the remaining things. Now just multiply. 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, or 3 3s are, you have to multiply 9 multiply by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, and 16 9 ja, you already know that it is 144. So answer is 144. Similarly you have to solve the other questions.